Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Curse Crazy Brady, and before we get this started, today's shout out is Curse Studios. You can find it in my subscriptions, which is at my channel. It's basically another amusement industry channel, so check that out. And today's video is my first coaster battle video. Is going to be the two best rides at Kentucky Kingdom: Storm Chaser and Lightning Run. Many people who's ridden these two rides consider these to be like equally amount of like how good they are, and most people think it's very hard to figure out which one is better. And today I'm going to help you figure out that decision. So if you don't, and you'll see how I'll do this when we go through this. So first round is the height. Both of them are getting a 4.5 score because they are both 100 feet. And I'm comparing this to King Ka, which currently is the tallest roller coaster in the world. Next up is the drop. The winner of this round will be Storm Chaser. 10 out of 10 score because of how unique it is. Is the very first barrel drop and currently the only barrel drop in the States. But it has a 78 angle of descent, and then Lightning Runs is has an 80-degree angle of descent, but it still has a lot of good airtime, but I have seen better drops, so that's why I'm giving it a 9 out of 10 score. Next up is the speed. Now, for this, I could not get how the data of how fast they are, so based off my experience, I'm gonna give Storm Chaser a 4.6 out of 10 and Lightning Run a 3.8 out of 10. Next up is the smoothness. Storm Chaser gets an 8 out of 10, and Lightning Run gets a 9 out of 10. And a few of these are based off about what I think, so don't take my whole word for it. But next up is airtime. And same thing, it's going to be an 8 and a 9. Intensity, both rides are getting an 8 out of 10. And then now is the duration. Storm Chaser is 2,444 feet long and is 1.4 minutes long. So it's getting a 7.1 out of 10. But this is really one of Lightning Run's weak spots. It gets a 3.9 out of 10. Despite that it has a longer track length, 2,500 feet, it's not even a minute long. It's barely over half a minute long. It's 35 seconds. This is really one of the ride's weak spots. So, next is the theming. This also a weak spot for, well, both the rides have, like, no theming, not at all. So both rides are getting a 1 out of 10. Next up is the restraints. Now these rides have the same restraints. RMC is, actually, they're both kind of a little bit different, but they feel the same. And both of them, when you ride them, they kind of like really hurt your thighs. Like seriously, they do hurt your thighs. So yeah, but, for some reason, not Lightning Runs, Storm Chasers is a tad better, which probably because it's made by RMC, so it's going to be an 8 and a 7 out of 10. And the final one is the layout. Storm Chaser has 0 inversions, but it's but still a really great ride. So it gets a 9 out of 10. And then, even though Storm Chaser has 3 inversions, I give it an 8 out of 10. So based off the scores I gave them in those 10 categories, I'll give them an out of 10 score. And based off that, I'll tell you which park has won. So, yeah. So by 3/10 of a point, the winner is Storm Chaser. So, both these rides are very good. And don't think that Storm Chaser is like completely better than it. Remember, it's only by 3/10 of a point. So yeah, both these rides are very good. But if you can only ride one, then you should ride Storm Chaser. So guys, there you go. Yeah, and you can vote up there or there. I always forget which side it is. And you can vote what could the next video possibly be. And you're probably noticing that there's not any Harry Potter things in there. Since this is a roller coaster channel, I want to make them I want to get to the point where like the majority of my videos are roller coaster videos. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now. And yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to Coaster Studios, and make sure you and for my channel, make sure you smash up subscribe, like button, and notification button. And yeah, guys, peace.